Kev G, weather overview. How's it going out there, everybody? All right, so we've got this overall pattern over the next 4 to 5 days, but this is the graphic off of AccuWeather.com. Now, you would think that we'd have widespread chances for showers and thunderstorms, but in fact, we don't. We do have an overall pattern that would support daily showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening, but not everybody's going to get hit. I think the most widespread opportunity for that to happen is going to come around Monday night into Tuesday. And that may linger into part of Tuesday or much of Tuesday because of the overall change. We'll have a front that'll basically stall, just like we did for Tuesday and Wednesday of this past week. And that'll make it cloudy around here, and it'll make the weather unsettled, just like we had earlier in the week. So that's basically what we can look forward to. So this graphic off of AccuWeather, while it does help a little bit to describe what's going on in the upper atmosphere, it can be a little bit misleading in the sense that, people do come away with the idea that it's going to rain the entire time. Now, when we look at the next 7 days of rain off of the Weather Prediction Center, this is NOAA's idea of where the heaviest rain is. Most of the heaviest rain along the eastern seaboard is offshore. You see that area in red that's off the Carolina coast? That's the old frontal boundary that we had 2 days ago. It's actually still sitting there, and it's draped across the southeast. So parts of the Gulf states and the southeast are going to share in the heaviest rain over the next 7 days. So while we will see rain chances around here, it's certainly not going to be as heavy as it is over the southeast part of the United States. Now, as far as the overall temperatures are concerned, for the rest of the month, the Climate Prediction Center is pretty bullish on the idea that we're going to have warm temperatures, above normal temperatures prevail through much of the end of the month. We're not going to have any cool spells or anything like that for more than a day or two. So expect that the warm weather will prevail, and with it, we're going to have high humidity values. And I think this is the real main player over the next 3 to 4 days. If you're looking at the weekend and you're trying to gauge as to what's really going to happen over the weekend, you've got to figure that, yes, there's a chance of showers and thunderstorms every day, but not everybody's going to see them. But the bigger story is the humidity, and I'll show you what I mean. This is by Friday tomorrow, and we're starting to get into this overall soupy, steamy kind of air mass, and it sticks around for the weekend. In fact, our temperatures will be in the mid to upper 80s to lower 90s, but the dew point temperatures are going to be in the 70s for much of the time, and that spells uncomfortable levels of humidity. And that'll stick around for much of next week. In fact, as we go through the week, we have to wait until about Thursday of next week to see any appreciable drop in the humidity levels. And that, I think, really is the name of the game over the next 5 to 7 days, the levels of humidity really going up. And you can see off of Weather Underground, Saturday, I think, could be a little bit hotter with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. And then Sunday, Monday, we make a run at 90 before we have a front come in for Monday night into Tuesday. And that, I think, will spell the beginning of a more widespread rainfall chance from Monday night into Tuesday. So that's going to need updating. It's going to be a fluid weather situation with respect to that early week next week in terms of figuring out where the rainfall chances start to pick up. But I think until then, you're just looking at scattered stuff every day. Some people will see it, others won't. But a definite increase in humidity values as we go through the weekend, with temperatures making a run at 90 for Sunday into Monday. So I'll keep an eye on the rain chance for Monday night to Tuesday. I think that that will gather steam, and we'll try to hone in on that as we go along. But for right now, get ready for high levels of humidity starting to creep in here for the weekend.